And welcome back to another video. The van's all back together again, as you've seen in the last video. Just want to thank each and every one of you sent me messages on here or on Instagram or on Facebook or anything. The interaction I've had with you guys is amazing. Thank you all so much. It's nice to see everyone being all positive, and also quite a lot of you guys are also giving me tips and tricks and stuff, so it's brilliant. Thank you very much. I do have a Facebook now. I will link that in the video. I've also got an email address for essentially this and clothing and whatnot, so all of my information will be down in the description below. And if you are interested, I mean, I've got some cool tags, got the masks that have come out, got them in the grey, got them in the white, and ultra comfy. I mean, I've got to use these for work, so I thought, why not get some made up? Got some more just in case anyone is interested, and a couple of you guys have already bought them, so I'm very pleased. Trying to keep the prices low, don't want to be ripping you guys off, so any inquiries, just drop me a message, we'll have a chat. But that's not what today's about. Today is about this thing having a massive water leak. I drove back yesterday. As I was getting out on the drive, I noticed there was a massive trail of water coming behind me. And, well, I'll show you. You can probably even see it. Drove back yesterday and I noticed there was a lovely trail of water. Luckily, it only started from just over there, and I live here. But I did wonder what all the water was about. Got the front end apart, and luckily enough, that is the problem. It is just this coolant temp sensor's not quite housed properly. In fact, undo this, you'll see. Yeah, see, pretty much it's not seated at all. So get a clip off, and as you can see, that is just not in there at all. In fact, you'll probably find, yeah, a little rubber that goes inside is not in there properly. So that's an easy fix. Take this little plastic connector off if I can get to it. That's all it is, just a little clip. That basically goes into it, and then the clip goes over the top like that. Oh, great, I'll apparently drop it. And the clip just goes around there, and then little O-ring. There you go, it just goes around the bottom. Luckily, quite an easy fix. And then you just get that little clip, and it goes on just down there. You'll see where it threads through. And then once you've got that on, you just, as easy as said and done, looking for a camera, push it in. As you can see, it clips all the way around. Get the electrical connector back on, which for some reason is a pain in the ass. Last time I undone the coolant reservoir, it absolutely flowed out, and now, well, there's the lid. So fill it up with water, and hopefully no more leak. Look at that, not a drip. That was a bit of luck. And as you can see, that's all nice and full in there. But you probably can't see. I'm going to run that now, get the coolant round. Luckily that's not leaking anymore, and it only broke down just there. So that was a bit of luck, it was just that. So, and I did notice that, if you can see, there's a little bit of rusty water here and on top of my battery and whatnot, is I did actually leave this overflow pipe. In fact, you can't even see that. There you go, that overflow pipe there wasn't even on, it was just balanced up here somewhere. So it was just hemorrhaging out of there, so I had to reconnect that pipe back up the other day, and that is everything back together again. So technically we could start this, get it all bled out, hopefully I don't crash into the Audi, get it all started. out of that. So I'm going to leave that for now, let it all heat up, bubble out, do what it's got to do. Very pleased. I do need to get on and get that interior done. Got a few ideas of what to do with this. So, but I need to get the Audi done. It's got inner track rod ends. That sounds lovely. Fair play. Got all my wood here for the cabinets. But on the Audi, I've got to do the inner track rod ends, both sides. So probably do a video of that. I've done a video of the outer track rod ends and the drop links, and I'm going to do the inner track runs. If you guys are interested, let me know, give me a thumbs up, and I'll do the video of me doing that. I'll post that for you guys. But I think that's probably enough for today on the van. It's nice to have her back on the road again, nice and reliable. Like I said, need to get that bit done. Make out the cabinet there, need to get the roof, and I want to get some Velcro for this, because when I brake it does flop about a little bit, so a little bit of Velcro would just probably help with that. So, and then a few more little jobs, it'd be good. As you can hear, the van is running lovely. Just had that little issue with the water, but now that's all done. That was just my own fault. I didn't push it and seat it all the way in properly, so I'm pleased with that. If you've reached this part of the video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Put in the comment section below that you've done that, and once this video gets to say 50 likes, I will pick one of you guys who's liked the video and messaged done in the comment section, and you guys will win a sticker pack and a mask. There we go, happy days. So get on with that, guys, get yourself some free stuff. I'm gonna go get working on that Audi. Like I say, if you're interested in a video on the Audi, let me know and I will post it sooner. I'm gonna go get a drink, it's boiling, it's like midday and I'm already sweating and horrible. So anyway, thank you very much for watching this, guys. Please give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button and take it easy.